Telegram file not showing in File Manager. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video we're going to learn how we can fix if the Telegram file is not showing on File Manager, so make sure to watch the video till the end. So if you happen to download something but you don't find them in File Manager, that is because you have not downloaded them properly. To download them properly, you have to go to that particular file, let's say over here, right? When there is a certain file that you want to download, now you have to simply tap the three dots next to their file or photo or video, then tap on Save to Downloads. Only when you tap on Save to Downloads, it will show up in the File Manager. Now once you save them to your downloads, open up your respective File Manager app. Now you can go to internal storage, then just go to download. Now you'll find Telegram folder, so tap on Telegram folder and you'll find a list of files that you have downloaded here. This way you can solve Telegram downloaded file not showing in File Manager. It's not really that it's not showing, it's just that we don't download them properly. Hope this video helped you. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.